Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see the list of blocked users in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the contacts list. From here we just go into channels, then into a channel, then we tap on the icon of the channel, and then at the top we find blocked users. Tap on this, and here we will have the list of the blocked users inside the channel, yeah, here we can just check them out. We can erase their blocking, like we can take back the blocking, we can unblock them basically. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.